Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into the absolute best ways to prepare for the SCMP exam. You know, the Strategic Communication Management Professional Certification. It's a pretty rigorous test, meant to really validate the skills of seasoned communications pros. And because it's so specialized, your study strategy can literally make or break your results. So we're going to break down the exact study strategies and simulator tools detailed in the official practice materials to help you actually pass this thing.
Get this. 50%. According to the source material, roughly half of all people who take the SCMP exam end up failing. Wow. But here's the kicker. The main culprits aren't necessarily a lack of knowledge. It's usually test anxiety and a major lack of confidence on exam day. That's a huge hurdle, right? But the good news is, it's completely preventable.
So how do we keep you out of that 50% failure bracket? Well, the official updated SCMP practice test simulator was built with one specific mantra in mind: to decrease anxiety and increase confidence. By simulating the real exam environment, you totally eliminate the fear of the unknown. You're not just, memorizing facts. You're actually training your brain to handle the pressure of the test itself. To get that level of confidence, the material recommends a really straightforward, foolproof two-step study method. Step 1, get a firm grasp on the topics. Step 2, take multiple choice practice exams. It's super simple, it's structured, and honestly, it's highly effective. Let's break down Step 1.
Step 1. Topic mastery.
Before you just dive into a full practice exam, you really need to familiarize yourself with specific themes. You definitely don't want to waste time studying irrelevant material. To help with this, the simulator has this really cool feature called custom topic selection. Think of it kind of like a highly targeted flashcard app. You pop into practice mode, check or uncheck specific study areas, and literally isolate your weak points. It's perfect for building a rock-solid foundation before you tackle the whole shebang.
Step 2. Simulated practice. The source material really emphasizes that the best way to learn is just by doing. Taking multiple choice tests is what builds those specific test-taking muscles. Within the simulator, you basically get two main ways to practice. Exam mode actually simulates the testing center's real-time constraints and difficulty. Then you've got practice mode, which is this highly customizable, low-stakes environment. You'd basically use exam mode to benchmark if you're ready, and practice mode for your everyday studying. And practice mode is amazing for building confidence, because it gives you granular control over your sessions. You can tweak the time duration, adjust the passing score, choose the number of tests, and even pick exactly how many questions you want to face. It lets you tailor everything exactly how you need it. Let's look at time duration, for example. The default length for the real SCMP exam is 120 minutes. In exam mode, you're locked into that. But in practice mode, you can drop the timer down to as little as 10 minutes. This is literally a game changer if you only have a quick coffee break to squeeze in a super targeted study session. Same thing goes for the passing score. The real SCMP exam demands an 80% to pass, which is pretty tough. If you're just starting out, failing at 80% over and over is going to crush your motivation. But practice mode lets you move that target passing score anywhere from 30% all the way up to 80%, so you can set realistic goals and gradually build up your confidence as you get better.
Oh, and there's also learning mode. When you turn this on inside practice mode, the simulator instantly displays the correct answers right as you're taking the test. So instead of waiting until the end of, say, 50 questions to see what you messed up, you learn from your mistakes the exact second you make them.
Now, the platform also packs in a few proprietary efficiency tools to help keep you in a state of deep, uninterrupted focus. There's auto-scroll, which just bumps you down to the next question automatically to save you time and clicks. The bookmark feature lets you flag the really tricky questions so you can easily pull them up later. And auto-learning works with all of this to basically speed up how fast you absorb the right info. It just removes all the friction from the whole studying process.
The mobile ecosystem.
Look, communications pros are super busy. So the material highlights a dedicated mobile app available for both iOS and Android. The best part? Complete offline functionality. No internet? Literally no problem. And the second you're back online, all your progress automatically syncs right back to the web platform. Plus, the app is always tracking your performance by topic and giving you percentage score assessments, so you know exactly how close you are to being ready for the real deal. So, that brings us right back to where we started. With targeted topic mastery, those highly customizable practice modes, and a totally seamless mobile ecosystem, are you ready to flip that 50% failure statistic? We definitely recommend checking out easyquiz.com to grab their online web simulator and the mobile app. The tools to beat exam anxiety and completely conquer the SCMP exam are right there waiting for you. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and happy studying.